What's up? Larry here with Audrey, Annistyn. Today is Nerd Block, May 2016.
Open it!
Alright.
Yeah, it's open it! We didn't like it. Ah! Damn it!
Darn it.
Oh, damn it!
Oh my god,
Go.
Annistyn. I said it at the weird way. I can't get anything. Okay, I got something. A coffee mug of Captain America.
Nice.
I think you're
Let
the
me
one
see
drink. You're the one who drinks coffee all day,
I don't drink it all day.
but you drink it all the time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Boy, I don't think it's a compliment.
It's a little shooter. Let me see it.
It stinks. Stinks inside. I think you're supposed to put like a little candle in there or something. Yeah, Bobo. Bobo.
Miss Samantha Baker from 16 Candles.
16 candles.
The red-headed chick. What the hell's her name?
Samantha?
Yeah, that's the name of the movie.
What is that?
Well, of course, she was in all the 80s movies.
Ow!
Okay, come back over here. Okay, I'll come in.
I want a sweet mama.
The Marshmallow Man.
What's that if marshmallow right now?
Marshmallow Man plush.
I wouldn't.
Why do you keep going over there?
I
Come
wouldn't
here.
kill him. I wouldn't want to eat him. This is mine.
Your turn. Get over here.
This is mine.
Stop walking back and forth.
I love. That's so. That's so.
What show?
Rick and Morty. I think.
Rick and Morty.
I don't watch it. I just hear it all the time.
No, you're not allowed to.
I know. I just hear it. Oh my god, he's lying.
Put the cat down. Alright. Out of time. California. What is that?
Can I see? You love me. See. I don't know what that is.
Etch a Sketch sticky notes.
Cool.
Ooh. Pretty cool.
And that's it, besides some coupon crap that I get everywhere, every time. So, deuces.